What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. It's your girl SincerelyAerial, and you know I'm back at it again with another Amazon wig review. I just keep doing these because I'm trying to get my influencer up, so you know this is the only way. You gotta start from the bottom to get to the top. So that's what we gonna do. We have AOSUN. What if I'm saying it wrong? Wig cap. Let's focus. 16-inch. Y'all see my nails? Y'all see my nails? Yes, sir. Naja nailed it on Instagram. Get at her. Y'all see the lashes? Like, who you know doing that big like this? The Doll Doctor on Instagram. Hit them up. They do good work. So, this is a 13x4 frontal. You know, the usual. Got the frontal piece. Got the fork combs on the inside. This what the lace looking like. Y'all know I always gotta show y'all. These knots are big. Last time I didn't bleach them because I was being lazy, but this time I'm just gonna bleach them because yeah. Oh, the hair's soft. I want to do like a peekaboo color, and also maybe a skunk stripe in the front. Let's do this. So let me tell y'all, I really thought I was doing something, and I actually ended up doing absolutely nothing. So I wasted 30 minutes doing all this just for it to, well, y'all about to see. I'm back, and that did absolutely nothing. But at least the knots are now bleached. Like, I did all that work and for nothing. My little fan died, so I just had to make it do what it do. Y'all, that looks so good, but I realized my problem is I put the lace like right on the glue instead of in front of, so that's why it always gives it this little ashy looking stuff. But I just try to fix that with got to be or whatever spritzer spray I have. Ow, jump scare. Alright, y'all, that's the end of the video. I have finished my hair. I just did a little 1-2 stepping with the wand curls. You know, nothing too major, just a little bounce. Oh, my knees! Y'all, this part over here not giving. Dust that up. That's all for this video. Guys, the hair is extremely soft. This is their 16 inches. This is what it looks like on me. I tried to do a under color, as y'all saw, and and it didn't go how it's supposed to go. So that's just how the game goes. That's just how the dice roll. That's what it is. Thank y'all for watching this video. Make sure if you like this video that you like this video. Comment, subscribe. Let me know what hair company you guys want me to try out next, or you know, better yet, if you're a wig company, you know, go ahead and send me the goods so I can try it out. Yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. I had black hair for all my life up until the pandemic. Shut up. Anyway, the pandemic is the first time I started dyeing my hair different colors. And y'all, I'm not going back black anytime soon. My hair right now is growing out. Ooh, y'all look at that. Tonight, hey. Hey, hey, tonight. I actually like this auburn burgundy type color.